In this video we will show how to connect Sku Fetch, the lister that is included with your Sku Grid subscription, to the eBay via direct API and list one single item. We start with Sku Grid account that is already connected to eBay via direct API. Please see our other video on how to do that. Let's go to Sku Fetch by clicking Lister in the top menu. It should automatically log you in. If not, use Login via Sku Grid option. Now we need to create a workspace. You can name it anything. Choose Direct API. We will go over other connection methods in our other videos. Now choose eBay and country where you sell in. Click Continue. Now just need to connect to eBay's API. Since Sku Grid is already connected, Sku Fetch will use access keys from it. Just click Connect. Okay, we have linked our eBay account. Let's set some basic settings. First of all, eBay requires seller profiles during listing. If you don't have any, you need to create them at eBay and click button Get Profiles. Then we have some other settings, such as quantity, listing duration, and so on. They are mostly self-explanatory and the same as in eBay. PBSE is a catalog-based system in eBay where it groups same items under one listings and lets buyer choose the optimal offer. Make sure to review all settings. It is very important that they are set correctly. For category, Sku Fetch will detect best category and you can change it during listing. You can also change all of the above settings during the actual listing process. Finally, click Save. And let's try listing one single item. Go to Single Fetch. Get supplier URL and paste it into the input box. Click Process and wait a little bit. It can take up to 3 minutes, but usually much faster. Once product information has been loaded, we can adjust different settings, make sure everything is correct, and list the product. In part 1 you can see the settings that we just did during Marketplace setup. Also it contains the detected category, make sure it is correct, and also the item specifics that this category offers. You can set yourself any optional parameters. To list product, click Process and wait a little bit. Sku Fetch has listed a product. You can open it up to verify that everything is correct. Sku Fetch will export the eBay ID along with the supplier URL to the Sku Grid within the next 15 minutes. Thanks for watching and make sure to check out our other videos.